Look at this day outside. It is absolutely incredible out. What's going on, guys? How's it going? Oh, yeah, things are happening. We're moving forward here. I'm excited. It's just been incredible weather we've been having, and it seemed like the longest winter ever. Every year it seems like the winters get longer and longer, but you know, you deal with it and you figure stuff out, and you just you figure it out. So anyways, I'm going to pick up the new trailer I bought the other day. Got an 18-foot aluminum flatbed, and then I'm headed up to Mitchell, and we're throwing the new MBRP muffler on the truck. Yeah, hopefully it should sound good. And then later on we're gonna pick up a car and maybe go around the track for a little bit. Things are drying up nice. Track is mince. She's starting to grow, so I gotta get down there. But anyways, good news, our skid steer, we fixed it last night. So we snapped a track on it, and it just kind of sat in the corner for like a year and a half, 2 years. No one really got to it, and finally I went and picked up a used set of tracks for it. And Matt came over last night, and we got the tracks on. So about time, because last year I brought a dozer in, I groomed the track, changed a whole bunch of stuff, and then we didn't have the skid steer to keep grooming it and maintaining it, and the grass grew over, and you know, it just kind of looked like Jumanji down there. Anyways, so now we have the skid steer. Hopefully the tracks, you know, make it through the year. They are used, they're a little beat up, but yeah, so anyways, let's pick up that trailer and get on with this day. I love it. I just want to stand outside and enjoy the sun all day. It is amazing outside. I hope you guys are outside right now. Well, I hope you go outside after watching this video, and hopefully it is amazing where you are as it is here, and you're outside just enjoying the day, enjoying the weather, and taking it all in. Anyways, let's go get that trailer. Load up the Platinum. Oh yeah, get her nice and clean. We'll clean her off before we throw the muffler on today. Get all that dirt out from underneath. There we go. Perfect. Quick little port and polish for the old girl. Look at that. Looks good. Let's roll. And we're back. Time to pick up the trailer. The old freshy, wherever it is. We should pick up this weapon. Look at that thing. Ooh, ooh. Beauty day. There she is. A new weapon. Gosh, it's nice outside. That trailer's looking good. Just picked up a new lure, a little Pala, Canadian Tire here. They don't carry Makita stuff though. Oh, yeah, no Makita stuff at Canadian Tire, so I'm gonna head to Home Depot. I need to get a Sawzall so I can start cutting the cats off these cars, taking them in. Apparently you get extra cash if you take them in separate, so yeah. All right, should we get some fireworks? Boom. Leaving rubber already. Look at those streaks. Yeah, we got a Lowe's here. I thought it was a Home Depot, but apparently not. So look at this day. Can't get enough of this. Let's see what they got for a Sawzall. Well, they were no help. Apparently Lowe's doesn't carry Makita. They only carry a few air tools. So I'm gonna scrap that. I'm running out of time. I gotta run up to Mitchell. We'll get the muffler put on. So swing by the house, drop the trailer off, and keep on moving.
Guided over the axle.
Pops right off.
Down to the ground.
Sounds like a freshy. Out with the old and with the new. Now we gotta see how it sounds. Start her up, hold it wide open. All right, see how she sounds. Ooh, she purrs. Bring her back. Nice little purr to her. got a nice little kick to it. She's no V8 though, but I like the twin turbo a lot better. It's a lot better on fuel, better on gas. So, all right, now let's see what we can get up to. If he ever comes back, I might not get my truck back. Sure looks good. Looks good, sounds good. New MBRP exhaust. Perfect. Sounds pretty good in the cab. Not too loud, not too quiet. Perfect. All right, back home now, and it's so beautiful outside. I don't know how many times I've said that today, but it is so beautiful outside. Anyways, I got my truck safetied. I still think it's silly that you have to get it safetied even though it's brand new, but the guys at the dealership said my trailer has to be safetied, my truck has to be safetied even though everything's brand new. So anyways, the exhaust is on. This is the old exhaust. You like my strap job? I don't know how it held, at least. She doesn't really fit in there, but this is the new exhaust. I kind of pushed the tip a little farther in so you can't really see it. I don't like when they stick out far, so I just made the boys push it in a little bit. But yeah, the MBRP sounds good. If you guys want to check out the link below, MBRP link there, check her out. They have all kinds of exhaust, trucks, sleds, side-by-side, race car. They do custom exhaust too, so if you have some fancy Lamborghini or spaceship, they can do an exhaust for that. So anyways, I'm gonna go throw this exhaust out somewhere. Not throw it out, but store it in the shed. And then I'm gonna head to the track. Since the skid steer's fixed, it's grooming time, boys. Grooming time. I was hoping to get the dozer in first, but you know, I'm just glad to be able to get the skid steer down there, and we'll start grooming for the boys. So, and then at 6 o'clock, I gotta head to Denfield with the new trailer, pick up I think it's a Saturn. So I did a Kijiji deal, another car. We'll pick that up. We'll rip that real quick, and then I'll wrap this video up for tonight, and then the boys are coming over later. So this day is just coming together. I'm loving her. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos too. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications button, do all that fun stuff. Leave some nice comments too. So anyways, let's carry on here and burn the tires off the weapon. Just kidding. It's all fixed up. So these are the old tracks that were on it. Real bald there. This one actually pretty much snapped off. We just cut the end piece off. These are the used ones I found. A lot better, eh? Should be able to get hopefully a season off those. They're not in the best shape, but they should run. They're a lot better than these. So these should have been cut off years ago, but run what you brung, right? Just gonna let the old girl warm up for a sec and put some Toby, then we'll get grooming. Hey Tobes, hanging out in the air condition today? It is so hot outside. He's like, nope, I'm staying in here. It's nice and cold, air conditioned. All the treats a dog could ever need. A couple cats if you really want to get there. Tobes, yeah, you go hang out in your cool corner there. All right. It's grooming time. Feels good to be back in the machine. Logging hours. Taking the tracks down. Gonna get rid of them in the pile down there. Start grooming. Coming together. I groomed up the landing real quick, redid this whole berm. Oh man, it feels good to be back in the old skid steer. It's been a few years. It's like riding a bike though. Definitely a lot easier to drive than the bulldozer, but you know, they have the pros and cons, right? The skid steer is great for like fine touches. Like you can move dirt, but not too much. You can't carve too deep, right? But it definitely has no problem taking a pile of dirt to the top of the ramp and then back dragging it down. So anyways, I got an hour and a half left. Then I'm gonna go pick up that car. I don't know why I'm out of breath. I'm just so freaking excited, guys. So excited. You guys should be excited because the track is gonna get back in prime time condition. None of this grown over baloney anymore. I apologize for the last 2 years. You know, things were busy and money went in other directions and we didn't get this thing fixed. So glad I finally got her fixed and we can go back to how it was. So anyways, I'm gonna continue on grooming here, and then yeah, we'll roll out at 6 and go get that car. So you guys should be excited. I'm excited. Oh yeah, she's coming together. Just threw the trailer back on the truck again. I'm gonna run over to Denfield, pick up that car, bring her back here, rip a few laps, and we'll wrap this video up for the day. The track is looking prime. Obviously I couldn't do it all. I only had 2 hours, but did a few jumps, did the freestyle landing, did the approach, did the double section, and did a few berms. So dirt is looking nice down there. I can't wait to do the whole thing and just get it looking fresh again. And I want to make like the other lanes too for a side-by-side, so you don't have to go over the big jumps in the side-by-side. So anyways, let's I'm just gonna grab the straps from the house and then we'll roll out with the freshy trailer and go get the car. There she is. Look at the weapon. Load her up. Old Saturn. Yeah. Hey, good to go. Throw her up there. Oh yeah. No problem. This trailer's so big. Wow. Got her home. One piece. Man, this new trailer is sick. It pulls so good. Truck sounds good with the new muffler too, the old MBRP one there. So, damage reported to police. Oh, that's good. Anyways, gonna unload this thing, do a quick lap, and then wrap this video up for the day because I'm going riding later tonight, but that'll be a separate video. So let's get this thing undone and taken off. Spare tires too. Some donuts, some tires, some anti-gel. Oh, he left me the key. That's handy. Yeah, we've never had a standard car down here. Apparently she starts on 3 and warms up to 4 cylinders. What a weapon. Don't stall me, girl. Oh, there it goes. Get her off. There we go. Woo! Wide open reverse, boys. Jeez, this thing all's in reverse. Holy. There, gotta grab some gears first. Oh yeah, she's burning up just nice. Woo! Smell that clutch burning. Look at that job I did. Oh, did I don't know how we're gonna jump this thing if it's standard. We'll probably have to like put it in maybe 3rd gear and like bog it right down, and then I'll jump out and hopefully it'll pick up on its way down the hill. So anyways, let's park this girl before I have too much fun. It's gonna be nice to get all that stuff groomed up. Give me a few more days, a couple more hours in the old skidder. Should be good to go. Toss this over here. Perfect. Look at this grass. She's popping up quick. Whew. Freshy trailer. We kind of groomed up here a little bit too. I wish I had more time today to be grooming, but I'm going riding instead. Gotta work, boys and girls. So we'll head over to the pit. I've never actually ridden there. I've been there a bunch, but I don't think I've ridden there. Maybe with the quad once, but anyways, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the new trailer. Hope you enjoyed the new MBRP muffler on the truck. She sounds good. I'm sure not all of you will like it, but I like it, so that's all that really matters. So thank you guys again. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. Hit the notification button. I can't even talk. Hit the notifications button. And yeah, we come out with a video every day, 365 days a year, so it's a lot of work, but it's definitely rewarding. So anyways, if you guys have any suggestions for videos, leave it in the comments. other than that, I am out of here. So thank you guys again. Have a wonderful night, wonderful day, and go out and crush it. We'll see you guys later.